Bloody hell, it's windy. It'd blow the milk out of your tea. We want Twan. We want Twan. We want Twan. G'day everybody and welcome back. So, after the last video where we went through some of the potential issues that you could have with your DUCATI clutch, and Twan van den Biggelaar took the time to give us a bit of help and put together a worst case scenario engine and talk us through some of the things that we need to be looking at. Off the back of that video, he's had a few requests from people asking whether or not he could do some more YouTube videos. So he's contacted me and he said, I can't do that. He said, I haven't got time for that. And he's a very, very busy man. But he has no desire to operate and manage a YouTube channel. It's just way too much work for somebody as busy as he is. I mean, it's too much work for someone as busy as I am too, don't kid yourself. But I made the decision that I was going to have a YouTube channel, so I guess I have to own that. And now apparently I'm not good enough for you, fickle pack. And you want to see more content coming out of Biggelaar Performance, and guess what? So do I. I think it's a great idea. So what we've come up with is a kind of a collaboration. Twan will do some video content. I will then do what I did in the last video, where I take that content, I edit it and produce a video and release it on my YouTube channel. Right, so now what we're going to do is put the ball back into your court. So we have a bit of a plan. And the plan is that sorry about that, I'm just enjoying a bit of a ride. So the plan is, back to the subjects, the plan is we want you to tell us what you want to see. So down in the gobbledygook, I need you to give us an idea what type of content you want. Now remember, this will be technical based stuff. And what will happen then is once we sort of get an idea around what type of content you would like to see, Twan will film said content and then I'll take it from there, and we'll release it on this channel. We'll do a whole series. I'll put it together in a playlist. We'll call the series something that's, well, I don't know, something uniquely DUCATI, I guess. We'll call it something like this. I reckon that'll work. What do you think? sounds like a pretty good idea to me. So go nuts, have a think about it, what you'd like to see content wise. Put it in the comments. We'll correlate something and start putting together a bit more content from Biggelaar Performance focused around DUCATI Tech. The good thing is that I'll get to learn stuff too, so it's a win-win for everyone. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and importantly comment about what you want to see, and I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.